When you come to change colour, you're going to do that in the last yarn over of the final stitch on the row. So when you come to the final stitch, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, cut the yarn, tie the new colour as close as you can to the back of your work. Yarn over with the new colour, pull the new colour through. You stitch ends with the correct colour on the top of the stitch, and then your working yarn or your working loop is now in the colour that you're going to carry on crocheting with. Yarn over and turn the work and carry on following the pattern. After a couple of stitches, it's worth stopping and darning in those ends so they don't get all tangled up in your work. With a sharp darning needle, just going to take the end under a few loops and snip the same. And that's how I change colour on the end of a row.